In this video I am going to explain how to draw the different views of the given object, and this is part 4. The part 1 to part 3 link will be available in the description. If you haven't watched that, kindly watch that before watching this video, so it will be helpful. So now let's get into the video. So this is the given object. We have to draw the front, top and the side views of the given object. So open Autocad. The first command you have to give is limits. Lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297. So the second command you have to give is units, and the precision should be 0. Okay. So now let's first draw the front view of the given object. So from this direction is the front view. If we see this object from this side, the brown shaded part, that is this rectangle, and the square will be the front view. So first let's draw this rectangle. So the length will be 120. So 20 and 100. And the gap between this is again 20. So 20, 60 and 20. So 20, 60 and join this. So now we have to draw the square. So the length is 60 and height will be 50. It's not a square. So from here 50, 60, so this is the front view of the given object. Now let's draw the side view. If we see it from the right hand side or left hand side, both the images will be seen same. So now we have to draw this rectangle again, 20 into 80. $20, $80, $20. So the gap is again 20. The total length is 40. So 20, 40, 20. 20, 40 and 20. Now we have to draw this section, this sandalwood part. The height is 50. So total length from here to here is 70 and this is 20. So 70 minus 20, this will be 50. 50, yes. So from here 50. Here 50. So the length of this one will be 10 mm and this side also will be 10 and this will be 20. So go to line, from here 10, again 20 and join this. So the depth of this notch is 15 mm So go to line, from here create a center point 10, again draw a line 15 mm. Yes. So switch off the ortho mode and go to line, from here join this, from here join this in the center. Now delete all the reference line. So this will be the right side and left side view of the given object. Now we have to draw the top view. When we see this object from the top view, this violet color shaded parts will be seen. So first we have to draw this rectangle of 80 cross 100. So go to line, switch on the ortho. So the length will be 80 and this length will be 100. So 80, 100. Then we have to draw this violet color part. So this length will be 60 and 10, 20, 10, so 40. Go to line and it should be 20 mm. Okay, from here 20 mm. Draw like this, and from here 20 mm, so draw like this. So from length is 60, so from this point you have to draw a line for 60 mm, and again total length is 40. So delete the reference line now. Now this entire rectangle is drawn. Now we have to split it into 4 parts, 1, 2 and this side and this side, so 4 parts, each of length 10, 10, 10. So go to line, before going to line, delete this line and this line. From here draw a line for 10 mm, again 10, again 10 and join this. From here 10, 10, 10 and join this. Now from this point to this point connect it, again from this point to this point. So this will be the top view of the given object, and this is the front view. This will be the right side and left side. And that's how you draw the different views of the given object. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section, or my mail ID is available in the description. Even you can mail me regarding any doubts. These doubts will be clarified in the upcoming videos.